Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Angela here, what to do? And today, you guys, I have another bagging. So you want to see what I got? Keep on watching. Okay. All right, you guys. So many of you already know what this is. I went to the mall on a whim this weekend. I went to Tory Burch, and y'all, they had the it bag in a new color, and I immediately said, yes, let me get her. They only had two in store, so I got her, y'all. And it is the Tory Burch Charlie bag. This is the small size in the color light olive, girl, light mauve. You see right here? Light mauve. So like I said, I went in there like right when the mall opened, and my essay was like, we have the new Charlie bag in a different color in mauve. I was like, girl, let me see. And she brought it out, and I was like, bag her up. Bag her up. Y'all, this bag is so pretty. So they had the the cream color, and they had this one, and I really just wanted to try both bags on to help me finalize which size I really wanted, because I ordered the black one. I canceled the pre-order. I ordered the smaller one. I canceled the pre-order because I didn't know for sure. But once I was able to try them both on, I was like, yes ma'am, the small is where it's at. Now this does have the silver hardware on here, and y'all, I don't carry a lot anyway, so this size was perfect for me. Now this was factory wrapped, okay? It was factory wrapped, but in store we unwrapped it. So y'all, this bag is just, and I might try to go outside and so you all can see what it looks like outside. But it has like a gray undertone to it. It's like purple with a gray undertone. You know, mauve. You know, like, I don't know, mauve. So, y'all, I absolutely love this bag. So, from my understanding, you all, the smaller one comes with a crossbody as well. It is adjustable and detachable. Okay, so that's a good thing. But I took all the stuffing out. This is how it looks on the inside. Just a bucket bag. It has a full zipper at the back. You know, just a bucket bag. What do we think, y'all? I don't have anything in this colorway, of course. And y'all know purple is my favorite color, but this is like a muted purple, and I love that for us. Now, do we need any more purple bags, girl? No. But, yes, and it will hold all the things, everything that I need. Real quick, this is my bag of the day. My LV on the go East-West. So y'all know my toiletry, 15, my S, my key pouch S, and my wallet. Only thing that's not in here is my phone, but all of that, those three things, girl, okay. Those three things were able to get in there with plenty, I mean plenty of room left over. Like, plenty of room, girl. When it comes to the side pocket, of course your phone won't fit. But let me see. I went and got a pack of gum, so I believe that's about what you're going to get, girl. Yes, a pack of gum right on in there. And that magnetic closure I love that. So yeah, a pack of gum. Girl. Yeah, a pack of gum will fit in this side pocket perfectly. Maybe like a single key or something like that. But yeah. And if you all don't know, of course, no feet on the bottom, of course. Okay? So I just wanted to pop on here real quick, show you guys my latest bag. She is just too cute. If you all enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Love y'all. And I will see you all later.